Hello investors, let's have a quick tour here of Studio 22 square meter of the Paddington Place. And this property po is located lang along Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. And para mas madali natin ma-familiarize yung ating location is between lang to ng Lancaster Hotel and Worldwide Corporate Center. Then actually 3 minutes walk lang going to MRT3, Shaw Boulevard Station, Star Mall, and Shangri-La. And of course 10 minutes walk going to SM Mega Mall. Alright, then proceed tayo dito sa ating kitchen fixtures. Bali yung overhead and under counter cabinets is kasama na po namin dinidelivered. And our countertop po is granite na may kasama na pong sink and faucet. Then sa ilalim po niyan is minakabang na po tayo na grease trap. Then ditong side naman is provision space for our induction cooker and range hood exhaust. Alright, then proceed tayo sa ating toilet and bath. For our toilet and bath, kasama na po namin dinideliver ulit yung lavatory, toilet bowl, and naka-rain type shower na tayo. Then yung flooring ng ating shower area is nakasagdo siya para maiwasan natin yung overflowing ng water pa nag-shower tayo. Then may allotted space din tayo dito for washing machine. Bali ang applicable lang po is yung automatic. Then sa likod niyan is meron na tayong outlet and faucet para po sa access ng ating water and electricity. Proceed tayo sa ating living and dining area. For our living and dining area is may allotted space tayo dito for walk-in closets. Then ditong side naman is allotted space natin for AC or air condition natin. Bali bubutasin na lang siya upon turnover. Then ditong side is provision space for our fridge. Then dito, binigyan lang tayo ng idea para mas ma-maximize natin yung space. Bali, nilagyan na lang natin dito ng side table. Alright. Then yung window natin is naka semi floor to ceiling na rin tayo para mas maganda yung view natin. Then yung ceiling natin is, ang size nito is 2.7 meters. Then possible tayo makapaglagay dito ng loft bed. Ito kasi is naka-drop ceiling siya. Bali papakita ko sa inyo yung original size ng ceiling natin. Bali ayan po siya. Alright. And for our bed frame naman, ang possible na kasya dito is king size or queen size. Once again, this is 22 square meter of the Paddington Place na located along Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. But this is not the exact deliverables of our actual unit upon turnover, but to give you an idea on how you to decorate your unit with your own style. And sa requirements lang natin is need lang natin dito ng just 2 valid IDs, 1 proof of billing, and of course, reservation fee. And for more details, please send me a message on a contact info on your screen and set an appointment with me. Thank you.
Kung ayaw mo sa akin, sa iba ka makinig. Pinapaintindi, di lang to basta parinig. Ang daming nagbago nung umidad ako ng 20. Minsan mabait, madalas may pagkabayolente. Tutok mo yung lente, ugali ko depende. Na kung mabait ka sa akin, ganun din ako syempre.